1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's up, Flexers? It's your boy Rico Flex TV, and today we're gonna be doing some hip raises. Show you an easy variation in case the harder version is too difficult for you to do. So what you're gonna do is, instead of putting your hands on the side of your stomach, you're gonna put them underneath your butt, and then instead of putting your legs straight up, you're just gonna bend your knees. What you're gonna do is just simply contract your stomach, keep it tight, make sure you're breathing. And what you're gonna do is just simply bring it back up and then push up. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hands on your sides and you're gonna put your feet together just like if you were doing flutter kicks, but instead of going like this, you're gonna put them together, you put them in the air like you just don't care, and then you're gonna squeeze your butt, your arms, and your stomach at the same time when you're going up. So what a hip raise is basically that you're pushing your butt up in the air, contracting your abdomen and your stomach. Make sure you guys are breathing through the whole exercise to make it more harder and make your stomach contract more. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a tip I want to mention is when you have your hands underneath your butt, it's going to give you more leverage, so you're not rocking side to side. And just the important thing is, if you can't get your butt off the ground, that's okay, as long as you're keeping your core tight and breathing. Eventually you're gonna grow you're gonna grow your core, and then eventually you're gonna be able to lift up your butt. So for now, if you can't do that, that's all right. Keep pushing, keep going hard. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit that red button down below. I'm gonna be posting more videos about fitness, about building your core, getting physically stronger, tips about pre-workouts, all that good stuff. So until then, y'all stay flexing, and I'll catch you on the next one.